Are you looking for a cheap power strip cord extension that can power all your electronic gadgets and nothing more? Then look no further. Hi, my name is Viet, and in this video I will show you this new cheap power strip I just bought for my YouTube studio. You can find similar one on Amazon with the link in the description below. It is a 4-socket extension cord with a single red colored power switch. The manufacturer designed it to be an average multi-port cord extension with a lightweight body that you can easily carry around. The cord suits many purposes. You can use it in your house, you can use it in your office. You might not want to use it outside though. With this cord, you can power your iPhone, your iPad, or your egg blender. It can even power all of the aforementioned stuff together, so you can get more things done without waiting. Make your life easier right now and get one on Amazon with the link in the description below. It has a 3 meters long copper wire which make it accessible even in the middle of an average bedroom. No need to extend your power cord extension with yet another extension. This cord's coolest feature is a big on-off switch with an LED indicator showing if cord extension is getting power or not. It is made from a black plastic. The plastic alone is nothing you can boast about, but it's a cheap, so no complaints here. As for color, I have to say black is great, it's practical. While white colors looks clean out of the box, it gets dirty really fast after a few months of usage. But with black, you will barely notice any changes through the time. All power cables except for the one that come with Apple products are in black anyway, so you won't have to worry about color matching. When it comes to size and dimensions of the sockets, holes are tight enough to hold a standard 2-pin power plug. The socket might get widened with the time, but so far it seems solid. What about safety and protection? So far, I haven't seen any sparks while using this cord yet, and I hope it won't short circuit all my electronics one day. But for now, I think it's safe to use at home. The only con is that it lacks all bells and whistles. You won't find any USB-C port here, nor there is any built-in surge protector. Also, having multiple switches, each dedicated to its own socket would be nice. But then, the price would be 3 times higher. So all in all, is it a good value for money? It can be if it was a tad cheaper. I bought it for $9, which is not the cheapest cord on the market. Is it a safe power cord? Yes, otherwise it would not pass strict EU product regulations. Will I use it every day to power my gadgets? Hell yeah. Finally, is this power cord the right one for you? Well, it depends. Share in the comment below, how do you power your gadgets? Do you prefer power cords or wall sockets? Someone hates cable and prefers to have everything built in wall. In my case, I don't care, but it's just me. Also, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and check out the similar product on Amazon using the link in the description below. So I wish you a great day and see you in the next video.